Reddit. How would you feel about a law that bans radio stations from playing commercials with honking, beeping, siren noises in them? I would feel like, finally. I agree. And any ad for auto service shop that plays squealing brakes or ominous engine sounds as well. Reddit. How do you feel about common Reddit opinion? Also doorbells on commercials because my dogs. I was driving one day and listening to a very popular radio station in my region. I want to ban Ask Reddit posts about shit everyone will agree with. You see this kind of question so often. Everyone already agrees with the post anyway. It contributes nothing and is blatant karma whoring. Redditors. What are your thoughts on low-hanging fruit Ask Reddit questions and diamonds and vaccines? This is the most circle jerk post I've seen in a very long time. Reddit. Do you think water is wet? Oh fuck off, I hate these posts. Yes, people want this, get out of here. I'd be fine with it. This is a bad post. Shit post. Reddit. What's something you always bitch about and we all know the answer to? But I want a shitload of meaningless internet points. Quote. What about songs with those noises? Will they get banned too? I would prefer a law that bans asking this same question every week. Section 325A of the Communications Act, which states, in pertinent part, no person within the jurisdiction of the United States shall knowingly utter or transmit, or cause to be uttered or transmitted, any false or fraudulent signals of distress, or communication relating thereto. Almost no one will say no to this. Why the fuck is this the top post of all time? To be honest, I hate these type of posts. I don't think it's a big enough issue to waste time thinking about. Add babies crying to that list and I'll sign the petition. I'd feel good about it. I would feel it is a bad law. Oh look, another, how would you feel, circle jerk question which has no debate and just a cheap way to get internet points. This is the top most upvoted thread in Ask Reddit. A question no one in their right mind would ever disagree with. You guys are weird. Reddit. How do you feel about popular opinion? Yet another soapbox opinion warded in the form of a question to shoehorn it into this sub. Ask Reddit. How do you feel about banning this stupid type of question? Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.